Here's the video for the CPVC T6 unit made out of CPVC. This is just an overview of how it turned out. We have your controls for the blower and the pump. This is the Intuition 6 Walchem pH controller. This is your circulation pump with pH loop, and that's the pH probe. It's not bypassed right now, it's going through the pH loop. And this is your chemical injection valve right here, set up with the chemical injection pump. And we have a pail of water to show that working. You have your drain. You have a sight gauge with levels. The level right now is at 16 gallons at minimum level, and the top notch is for 20 gallons in the reservoir. The vapor inlet will be changed. We just have this for simulation. We will be putting a 2-inch to 1/2-inch bushing on the top of this ValveWorks valve, and we will also show the ValveWorks valve working in a condition where the temperature goes above a certain degree. You have your flow meters here, the Storm 10 blower on the back of the unit, and we have 2 small cleanouts on the back of the unit, and this is just wired up. Both towers have service ports in case the packing needs to be removed for whatever reason. Now we'll show the pump and the blower. Each tower has a little over 2 GPM running to them. You look at the top of the float to determine the flow. So we have a little over 2, and right at 2. And the vapor inlet flows for the unit. This is the current vapor inlet, but we will be changing that to a 2-inch to 1/2-inch bushing. But we have that necked down to 3 CFM, 2.8 to 3 CFM. And then on the air dilution, the dilution air inlet with our anemometer, we have it reading just over 41 CFM. This is a simulation to show how the vapor inlet valve will close under a high temperature condition. On the pH screen, you can see it's on the right hand side, it's 164 degrees right now. The temperature for the solution is 63, and you have the pH of the solution, but we're looking at this right now. And the temperature sensor is on the back right there. And when the temperature gets to 180 degrees is what we have this set at, the valve will close. At 180 degrees is when it closes, and then it opens at 125 degrees. Cool the unit off a little faster by opening the blower back up. Oh, 100 degrees, not 125. Boom. Takes approximately 20 seconds for the valve to open and 20 seconds to close. Here is the pH chemical pump pumping in. We'll have to manually do this using the controller, but when the pH drops below your set value, it will automatically send power to the chemical injection pump. This power button on here will have to be activated for it to pump. You can hear it pumping. And the chemical injection valve is right here, and it is open at the moment. This valve, the white valve, also has an internal check valve. This This pump also has a foot valve inside the bucket that has a check valve on it as well. You can hear the solution, the water pumping through. It's starting to pump through. There are instructions in the Iwaki chemical pump manual that will be in the back of the main manual for instructions on how to prime this. And this pump will pump until the pH is raised to the proper level.